In order to enable and set up mobile hotspot on Google Pixel 9a, first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. Once you open settings, choose network and internet, and then over here go to hotspot and tethering. Then we have our Wi-Fi hotspot. We can simply turn it on or off by tapping on this switcher. We can also tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot text itself in order to go to the details. And over here we can find the hotspot name. We can also find the QR code generator. And after enter your screen lock password, you should be able to generate the QR code. We also have the password here, so you can tap in order to reveal it and also change it if needed. And then we have the option to turn off hotspot automatically, change the speed and compatibility, and we can also go to the instant hotspot to use this feature as well. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, later on, if you want to quickly enable or disable hotspot, you can do that through quick settings or the control center. So if you swipe down from the top twice, you will open this control center, and then you can try to find the hotspot. It should be actually added by default, and you can tap here to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.